Hey guys, PMHK here obviously, and in this video I just wanted to talk to you guys about something that I picked up a while back. Now this is a knockoff version of Airpower. Now Airpower was a wireless charging that Apple was supposed to release some time back. They kept on postponing the release date, I think for 2 or 3 years, and then they ended up deciding to cancel it altogether, mainly because they had problems with the coils that were overheating, and they said now we'll just stop and we'll stop producing. Now many people actually went out and bought versions of the wireless or the Airpower that other companies were trying to mimic or to imitate, like the one that Apple was about to release, and this is actually one of them. This is the basiest Airpower version. Now this guy here can charge the Apple Watch in this place here, and you can charge an additional device right here. Now the build quality is actually really good. Actually can be compared to Apple products, although there's a finicky part down here where it can actually cut you if you hold it the wrong way. And this guy also uses the Apple actually lightning connector to charge to power. Now when I got this guy in the box, you will not get any charging bricks, so I tried to use the old Apple charger, but it wasn't really charging two devices at the same time. I would charge one, when I placed the other one, the first one would stop and the other one would start charging, and after a while it would also actually stop charging. Now when I experienced that problem, I decided to put the device actually on the side and just forget about it. But then after a while, when I went and bought the 18-watt charger, this is actually what allows you to fast charge either the iPhone XR or XR directly with power, not wirelessly, and you can also use to fast charge the iPhone XS or the iPhone XS Max. So I bought this guy here thinking that if I plug it here, it was actually going to make them both work at the same time. Now this guy is an 18-watt charger. It supports 5 volts and 9 volts, and in the manual or in the writing of this guy here, it says that it also supports from 5 to 9 volts max. So I decided to try this thing out. The first time I actually tried it, it was actually working, but then after a while it just stopped working. Like it really doesn't work anymore. And so basically this guy is really dead. Oh. Wait, this one is still fine. So yeah, I basically spent around 600 if not 500 Rand to buy that little device there, just to try Airpower that Apple actually promised us, but ended up not fulfilling their promises. Now there are other devices actually produced by other companies like the Mophie, and also you can find the Nomad's wireless charger that actually supports 3 to 2 devices for you to actually charge. So if you really want to try charging many devices at once, I would recommend those two, which I'm actually going to link down in the description. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I just wanted to share what I actually bought and doesn't really work, because I wanted to try Airpower. And yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bells button so you get notified every time I post a video. And I will catch you guys on the next one really soon, since it's really iPhone season. And yeah, peace.